Welcome to Technically You, where we decode the tech changing our world one chip at a time.
Today, we're talking about something small in size but huge in impact, the eSIM.
If you've ever swapped out a SIM card to change providers or unlock your phone, this episode is for you. Because now, that tiny plastic card is becoming obsolete. So, what is an eSIM?
An eSIM, short for embedded SIM, is a rewritable embedded chip that's soldered directly into your device's motherboard.
No more popping trays or searching for SIM ejector tools. eSIMs are programmable. You can download a carrier profile over the air. It's part of the GSMA Embedded SIM standard, and it's not just for phones. It's showing up in tablets, smartwatches, laptops, and IoT devices.
If you are wondering how is it different from a traditional SIM, here is a comparison. Traditional SIM, removable plastic card, tied to one carrier, manual swap needed, and vulnerable to theft.
Now, with eSIM, there is an embedded chip on motherboard. It can store multiple profiles, can be updated remotely, and physically tamper-resistant.
So unlike traditional SIMs where you physically swap cards, eSIMs let you switch carriers, activate plans, or even travel internationally, all digitally.
Under the hood, eSIMs use GSMA's remote SIM provisioning standard, allowing carriers to securely push profiles to a device.
It includes a secure element, often integrated with trusted execution environments, TEEs, or dedicated EUICC chips, embedded Universal Integrated Circuit Card.
The eSIM's provisioning process involves bootstrapping identity with manufacturer, secure authentication with chosen carrier, and profile download, installation, and activation.
And for the curious, yes, some devices can store multiple profiles, though only one is active at a time on most phones today.
There's a reason Apple, Google, and Samsung are betting big on eSIMs. Here's why. Faster setup. Scan a QR code, done. Remote provisioning. No shipping physical, SIMS. Enhanced security. Harder to clone or steal. Supports dual SIM functionality, and they are perfect for IoT and wearables, space saving, and remote access. From a network provider's view, here are some key benefits. Lower operational costs, reduced fraud, and easier global roaming agreements.
Right now, eSIMs are in smartphones, iPhone, Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, tablets, iPad Pro, Surface Pro, smartwatches, Apple Watch, Galaxy Watch, IoT devices, smart meters, drones, asset trackers, connected cars and M2M applications, and the list continues to grow.
It's especially powerful for enterprise fleets, global logistics, and travelers who want instant data access in multiple countries.
But we're not in a utopia just yet. Some challenges include limited carrier support in some countries, some devices still require a primary physical SIM, locked devices may restrict profile switching, and consumer confusion over activation process.
Also, security concerns around remote provisioning, if not implemented properly. Though GSMA compliance helps mitigate that.
Okay, let's talk about what's coming. eSIM-only phones. Apple already did it starting with the iPhone 14 in the US, global eSIM roaming services, e.g. Airalo, Ubigi, GigSky, integrated AI provisioning. Devices could choose the best network plan based on location or cost, an iSIM SIM. Even smaller than eSIM, embedded directly into the SoC, system on chip.
iSIM is the future of eSIM. Even less hardware, more efficiency, and ideal for wearables, sensors, and embedded AI applications.
For our technical listeners, eSIM is not just a consumer feature. It's a core enabler for IoT scale, global deployments, and network automation. And for newcomers and casual listeners, it's the thing that's going to make SIM cards vanish from your phone and roaming charges obsolete. Any final thoughts?
eSIM is the future. It's flexible, programmable, and built for how we connect today. Mobile, global, and digital first. Whether you're an IT pro managing mobile fleets or just tired of SIM swaps while traveling, eSIMs are here to make your life easier.
Thanks for tuning in to Technically You. Subscribe and stay connected. No SIM tool required.
And as always, stay curious.